So today I'm gonna get these two babies welded up and then I'm gonna go play because it's all about fun and balance and I love working. It's my favorite thing probably to do in the planet because I'm just flowing source the whole time, which is awesome. But I also love to go physically have a blast in all sorts of sports. So today it's gonna be indoor skydiving and I have to do this and then I get to go do that. I hope you guys are doing something fun today and creative because that's the pathway of the divine. There's very little else that is as important to me as to flow source as much as possible. That's really being connected and kind and loving and fun and joyful. There's very few feelings. I don't even know if there is any other better feelings in this planet than to flow source. So, not only do I do that in work, because that's why I really love it so much, is because it feels so good to do that. But I find ways to flow source outside of my shop too. And indoor skydiving is one of those things for me. I love it. When I jump into the tunnel, I meet source, I meet God, I meet the divine right there. Those first few minutes that I dive in, I just gently fly to the bottom and have a little conversation there with the divine, and it's really spectacular. It's a spectacular moment for me. I love it beyond words that I can even possibly describe. And then we have at it, fly, and sit flying, and belly flying, and back flying. Oh my God, it is so much fun. It is just, it is so freeing. It is so completely freeing. And one of the things that I love about it when I first started doing it was I was flying with people that were in their 70s and 80-year-old age level. And I realized that this is a sport because when you're flying, there's no impact on the body, and it's just so freeing. So this is a sport I can do for the rest of my life. And I love it. I love it. So I gotta get this done today and then I'm gonna go play. So what I'm doing now is I'm using both bronze. I'm using the 1/8 inch rod and I'm using the 3/32 rod in the bronze. And I'm also using the 1/8 inch rod and the 3/32 rod in the stainless steel. And when I say those measurements, it's just the size of how wide they are. And I am going through and creating my texture and my definition, which is really fun. It's so fun to do that. And over the years, because I have done hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, did I say hundreds? I think I did. I just have a technique that I have figured out that has worked for me over the time. So we're gonna get these babies. I love doing these long tails. There's lots of welding beads that I get to run, and it's so fun. feels good because it's cold out today. Okay, one done, one more to go. I don't know how many hours it's been. It's been a lot. Oh, so cool though. Oh man, it's so pretty. Oh, I see a spot right there. I gotta fix him right there. Okay, I do that. And then on to the next one. Wow, so cool. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. It's so fun because I never know what it's gonna be like till it gets done, but I see it, but it's different when I see it. I see it, but I don't, it just hasn't landed yet. You know when something lands, it just poof, comes on in. So I mean, I see it, but I guess when it lands, then I really get to feel it, which makes it super fun. Okay, number 2, here we come. I'm also working pretty hot. I've got it set over here. What is it? 123. Yeah. So I'm working pretty hot, but what that does, it lets me work faster. So I don't usually start at that speed, but because I did all of them yesterday, I'm pretty tuned into how that rolls, and so I'm working at that speed, which means I get to do it faster, which is really kind of fun because I am thinking about flying too. I'm staying totally present when I'm welding, but when I stop welding, I'm like, ooh, is it time to fly yet? Ooh, are we flying yet? Oh, it's so exciting. It's so exciting to set up really fun things to do in your life. This is the funnest though, out of everything. Besides being with my family, which is, you know, that's the core, the relationships of all that, but this is really fun. So I mark everything in permanent ink because I can see that black line really good, but the order at which I weld them, because as the metal heats up, it causes the line that I can see to disappear. So sometimes I go back in with my stone and remark it with this because it's hot, and then you just burn the tip of this. So and I don't want it to cool down because I need all that heat to keep everything hot and flowing, so it doesn't slow me down. All that final check stuff. At least for now. There may be things that I find later. All right, time to put these babies with what I finished yesterday and let them all vibe and juice while I go fly. Okay. How fun is that? All right. I'll see you at the tunnel. Coming in to fly, gonna play. Nobody's in the tunnel yet. We've got wide open time. Time to fly. something creative because that changes things up and allows new things to come into your life, and do something fun because that's the pathway of the divine. Your next video. Which one are you gonna do? This one? That one's pretty fun. That one's cool. That one though, that one might be my favorite. This one's pretty fun too though. All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Videos come out on Sunday and Wednesday mornings at 8 a.m. Stargaard Art out.